Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel where I share legitimate ways to make money from home. Now, I've got a new position to share with a hiring manager. Reach out to me because they are looking to fill this position as soon as possible. Now, the company's name is Lionbridge, and they are looking to fill a work from home position as a U.S. rater. Now, this is a part time position, is up to 20 hours per week, and they are very flexible with their schedule because they don't care when you work as long as you can complete 20 hours during the week. Now, you're going to be responsible for analyzing and providing feedback on text, web pages, images, and other types of information for leading search engines. The pay is $14 per hour, and you must live in one of the following states to apply. Now, if you see your state on this list, this is definitely something that you should consider. Now, because I know the hiring manager, be sure to tell them that you heard about this position from me because I do think it can increase your chances at getting this job. So just tell them that Whitney Bonds referred you. Now, if you scroll down here, this is where you're going to be able to apply for this position. Now, the information I shared with you was from the hiring manager as far as what states they're only accepting. Now, that's something that they do not share with you on this page right here, but I wanted to let you guys know in case you do not live in one of those states, you won't waste your time applying for this position. But like I said, this job involves analyzing and providing feedback on text, web pages, images, and other types of information for leading search engines. And the basic requirements for this is that you only need to have a high school diploma or a GED qualification. And for cultural awareness purposes, you should be living in the United States for the last 5 consecutive years. Now, the preferred skills right here is that they want you to be an active daily user of Gmail. Google Plus no longer exists, so they need to update this, and just other forms of social media, including Twitter and Facebook. They also want you to be familiar with this current and historical business, media, sports, news, social media, and cultural affairs in the United States, and experience in use of web browsers to navigate and interact with a variety of content. So if this is something that you think fits you, definitely go ahead and apply today because they are looking to hire this position immediately. If you have any questions or any issues applying, definitely just contact this email address right here on the screen. I will also put that in the description below so you guys can just copy and paste it and email them if you have any issues. Now, let me know if you guys are interested in this position. I love sharing new job opportunities with you guys. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe today. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on one of my videos on a new work from home job opportunity. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.